that Christ should die for me. Who am I? What am I? That I may live, oh, live, oh, live, simply because He died for me. Who am I? Oh, that I may live. Who am I? What am I? That Christ should die for me. Who am I? Oh, that I may live. Only, only, simply because He died for me. Who am I? That I may live. Oh Lord, Christ died for me. Yes, I believe. And He arose to say